Hey everybody, this is Eric from S4L Customs out here in San Bernardino, California. I just wanted to get on here and leave a little review about the new magnet hoop by Sewtalent station. This thing is a game changer. Like, I don't know how I was doing polo shirts before I received this. And when I got it, it comes with the, well, I got the 5.1 hoops, the hoop. It comes with the sleeve station and the shirt. Extra brackets. When it came in two parts, two different deliveries, so don't get worried if you purchase one and you get a box and it's not all there. Don't freak out. So when it came, all I had to do was screw these suction cups onto the bottom and screw these screws into the sleeve station. It's done. All I had to do was put these 8 screws into these and it was done. It comes off fairly easy. You just pull the clips and it pops right off. So you can set it, for polo shirts, I set it right here on number 1 for large and extra large. You can see the little prongs in the back. So you just set it to where you want it, line the prongs up, and it snaps into place. Simple as that, ready to go. Open these stabilizer tabs. Set the back of your hoop in here. And for polo shirts, I prefer to use 3mm stabilizer, cut stabilizer, and I get the 20-inch and I cut it down to 8 1/4 inches each, and that way I'm left with a 3.5-inch strip that I could use for my hats later on. So when I'm doing polo shirts, I prefer to do 2, because no one wants any pulling or anything like that. And when I bought it, I was like, oh, is the magnet going to be strong enough for 2? How's it going to hold it? But watch this. Set it. Get your polo shirt out. If you can find out how to open the bag, don't forget to save the bag. You got to put it back in there. And watch what a game changer this is. I wish I would have bought 2 hoops when I made my purchase, just for production reasons. But so I just set the shirt on there, and I set the seam right here, set the seam right on the edge, make sure my center buttons are lined up, make sure everything's nice and flat. Oh yeah, and it comes with, you just have to put these 3 screws in. I have a BAI mirror M22 machine. I just got it. I'm brand new to embroidery. And I had a brother-in-law who wanted shirts, so I was like, how am I going to get them all exactly in the same spot? Well, this is the answer. This is the answer for sure. So I line it all up, a simple push, and you're done. Game changer. Take your hoop off. Take your shirt off. Listen. Tight. Beautiful. Come over here to the machine. Easy to load. It fits right in the BAI machine. Stock arms. Loads simple, easy. And that's it. it's good to go. So like I said, if you could make this purchase for the price that you're paying for this, you're gonna make your money back in a week. All right, thanks for watching.